So the experience so far has been very interesting, and especially in the light of building something together for the industry with a lot of people that are interested and jointly committed into create something real. Very exciting experience. I'm in the group for the AI agentic usage. I will not spoil too much, but it's very interesting on how we can basically make it a better industry processes and way of working by the usage of agentic AI. It's a very, let's say, hype topic in the moment, but it's also very practical and very impactful for the industry. I truly believe what we're doing is great. So my first, let's say, curiosity is to see how the rest of the community will be welcoming what we have been doing. I'm really looking forward to hear their comments, perspective, and also having more of them joining into what we're doing.